Hi friends, my name is Francis, and everyone can call me Francis. I live in Maryland. I work as an ABA instructor, which is an applied behavioral analyst instructor. So I work with teens and young adults who have autism and or other intellectual developmental disabilities at a private school. In my spare time, I enjoy taking Zumba classes, and I love music and love to dance, and it's a great stress reliever. I am both excited and curious to be taking the MSW program online at Widener. It is maybe my second time taking online course. The first time I took online courses was a while ago. But I'm looking forward to the experience, and I'm looking forward to this new journey in my life. And I am looking forward to meeting and getting to know everyone. Take care.